Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to our hearts: how our surroundings can impact our well-being. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that your surroundings can have a significant impact on your mental and physical health? That's right. From access to clean air and water to a safe living space, our surroundings play a crucial role in our overall well-being. Take, for example, the importance of clean air. Breathing in polluted air can lead to respiratory issues, while fresh air can help improve your mood and overall health. Similarly, access to clean water is essential for our health. Drinking clean water can help keep us hydrated, while polluted water can lead to waterborne diseases. Lastly, having a safe living space is crucial for our mental and physical well-being. A safe environment can help reduce stress and anxiety, while an unsafe environment can have the opposite effect. So, remember to take care of your surroundings, and they'll take care of you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.